I can guarantee you that you can say you can't bake to save your life, but I can teach you how to bake to save.
There is a cozy little kitchen in a turn of the 20th century farmhouse, deep in the shadows of Mount Rainier. The kitchen witch weaves a little magic over a cast iron pot upon a stove. She whispers her spell into the universe as her pot bubbles over, spilling the brew. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, 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 oh. This is where the Munchie Mafia meets. On YouTube every Sunday night for an hour of magic, mischief and whimsy, cooking up food to soothe the restless soul. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Join a crazy little community full of laughter and fun, jokes and great people from all over the globe. The townspeople think CB is a little strange, a bit spooky and a whole lot of crazy, but she pays no mind to the subdued whispers as she passes by with the ginger familiar following close behind. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. A little dash of love here, a tiny pinch of passion there, with a starry star of the wooden spoon. She mixes flavors that delights the soul. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Like and subscribe to Munchie Mafia official, and gently follow that little bell icon. You may or may not receive notifications. YouTube features are so bipolar. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. A whiskey whisk of mystery, a stirry stir of mischief, a bakey bake of whimsy, and some laughy laughs. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Maybe Sivi won't be late next time. Who the hell are we kidding? A shaky shake of the magic 8-ball says that's unlikely. She will even be terribly late for her own funeral too. Oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. With the flick of Sivi's wrist and a wave of a mystical wooden spoon, the magic begins to brew. Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh. A whiskey whisk of mystery, stirry stir of mischief, bakey bake of whimsy, and some laughy laughs. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, Chef Sivi, what's cooking? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. So let's brew some magic together. Don't forget to always cook with love, and always eat with caution. Oh my, Chef Sivi.
Tell Eddie I did eggs backwards, so he needs to separate them again. I
What the heck?
left him the whites.